So after quite a few months, Avast has finally released a new beta version. Here's what Avast had to say about this new version. And I will be installing the free version of this program. So let's get started by doing the installation. A couple of things to take care of right away. I want to just install the free version of Avast. I don't want to install at this time the secure browser, and I should make it the default browser. Also, I always use the customized installation, never the default install. This way I get to pick what I want installed and what I want to bypass. I don't need safe price. I don't need the cleanup. The rest of these items are fine with me. You can hide this little installation notification, but whatever you do, do not turn off your computer if you've hidden this. The installation's completed, and Avast needs to restart in order to finish that installation. I restarted the system, and as you can see, we now have the new version installed on this computer. This is one of the very first things that I will make adjustments to. I have no problem sharing threat information when Avast catches something, or if I happen to be the first one to run into something brand new, but I will not be sharing app usage or any other information. As you can see, there's quite a bit to Avast. Also have lots of things that you can customize within Avast. Anything with a lock is a paid product. The reason SecureLine it does not have a lock on for me is because I have a license for it. That's just a quick look at the latest beta release from Avast. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.